Hi there, students. Milieu. Okay, milieu, a countable noun. You may hear many people pronounce this milieu, yeah? And the plural, milieu with an X, or milieux, yeah? Or milieux as well. But for me, with an RP accent, you need to use the French pronunciation because this word comes directly from French. Okay, your milieu is the group of people around you, the background, the surroundings. Yeah, so the school he went to, he was in a milieu of rich and powerful families. Yeah, the social setting. Yeah, his milieu is made up of classical musicians, the people that surround him, the scene, the environment, if you like. Okay, so these are the milieu is the people, the environment, the social conditions, the things happening at the time in which somebody lives or which somebody does their work. Yeah, so I don't know, if you look at somebody like Galileo, he's doing his work, but in the milieu of a deeply religious society that is ruled by the church. Yeah, in the Renaissance, there was a social and cultural milieu which made it easier to invent new things and to go in new ways. So, like the rebirth. Yeah, so he was really quite a shy person and always stayed within his social milieu. Yeah, so the milieu, the setting in which something happens, the background, the environment for something. Yeah, could maybe even the location or the setting. So I like living in a rural milieu. Yeah, in a rural environment, in a rural location with rural surroundings. Yeah, people like to marry within their social milieu. They don't like to go to marry people outside of their social group, their social background. Yeah, we can also use this to mean the ambience or the atmosphere. Yeah, so I don't know, the 1960s. Yeah, this is a milieu of change. Yeah, of protest, of looking or questioning the status quo. Yeah, it's the background to the situation. I don't know, the atom bomb was developed in the milieu of the Second World War. Yeah, so the social setting, the environment. Yeah, the things that surrounded it, the conditions, if you like. Okay, particularly social milieu. We also actually have a thing called milieu therapy, which is for people who have psychiatric problems, and they're prescribed that they need to take part in certain activities with other people, yeah, to improve maybe their interpersonal skills, their social interaction. So they're put in the middle of people. Okay, milieu is a really good word. Okay, formality. This definitely sounds very posh. Yeah, this is a really good posh word to use. I can imagine Henry, yeah, in the middle, using this in the middle of the conversation. My milieu of friends always have lots of money and go and play polo every week. Yeah, but the milieu, yeah, I don't know, can you imagine the social milieu of a king? People always fawning over them, yeah? So, formality, what am I going to give it in formality? I think I'm going to give it a 7 in formality. You could maybe just use it in a semi-formal conversation, but in an informal conversation, the environment, the social setting, the peer group, something like that. And then as to origin, this comes directly from French, the word milieu, yeah, which means in the middle of, yeah, the middle, the center, and itself comes from mid, and lieu, place. So in the middle of the place. So yeah, your milieu is the place that you are in the middle of, the group of people where you find yourself. Okay, so your milieu, the group of people you go with, your friends, the environment. So I don't know, maybe we've been in a COVID milieu much too long. Yeah, if we look at our lives from the point of the milieu of COVID, then maybe a lot of things have changed. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Milieu or milieu, and then milieu with an X in the plural, or milieux with an S, or milieux.